Hello, in this video you will practice English speaking. We will describe a room using simple and natural sentences. Listen carefully. After every sentence, pause and repeat aloud. Part 1, General Description. My room is medium in size. It is not too big and not too small. The room feels comfortable and open. The walls are painted in a light color. This color makes the room look calm. Part 2, Location and Light. There is a window in my room. The window is on the right side. Sunlight enters the room in the morning. Because of the sunlight, the room feels fresh. I like natural light more than artificial light. Part 3, Floor and Basic Structure. The floor of my room is clean. It is smooth and easy to walk on. I keep the floor neat every day. A clean floor makes the room look organized. Part 4, Study area. Near the window, there is a study table. I use this table for studying and working. On the table, there is a laptop. There are also a few books and a notebook. Everything on the table has its own place. Part 5, Chair and Comfort. Next to the table, there is a chair. The chair is simple but comfortable. I sit there for long hours. Good seating helps me focus better. Part 6, Bed area. On the opposite side, there is a bed. The bed is placed near the wall. It has a clean bedsheet and pillows. I rest after a long day. A good bed helps me sleep peacefully. Part 7, Storage and Objects. There is a cupboard in my room. I keep my clothes inside it. The cupboard helps me stay organized. Near the wall, there is a small shelf. The shelf holds books and small items. Part 8, Decoration. I do not decorate my room too much. I prefer a simple and clean space. There is a wall clock above the door. It helps me manage my time. Part 9, Feeling and Atmosphere. My room feels peacefully. It is a place where I feel relaxed. I can think clearly when I sit here. The room gives me personal space. Part 10, Practice questions. Very important. Now answer these questions aloud. After each question, pause for a minute and answer this question. What size is your room? Where is the window in your room? What do you keep on your study table? How does your room make you feel? Practice these sentences every day. Speak slowly and clearly. Try to describe your own room using similar sentences. Thank you for listening. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for video like this.